So you want to learn how to do a press to handstand? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a critical press to handstand drill. And make sure you stay around to the end because I'm going to give away a big secret that most people get wrong.
The gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Hi, in case we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister and I'm one of the co-creators of the Foundation Movement System and co-owners of Unity Gym, the place where health is measured by how the body performs and feels, not just how it looks. So, as I said, in this video we are going to teach you a really awesome compression strength drill. Now, as far as gymnastic strength training goes, this is actually a pretty basic drill. It's down there at some of the more beginner level. But if you're an adult and you haven't done this stuff before, this is advanced. This is bloody hard. You're going to need to do a lot to get to this one. But if you've already been doing your compression strength for a little while and you've hit some plateaus, then this is an awesome way to break through those plateaus. So what you're going to do, you're basically just going to sit down on the ground like Richard is now. And as a beginner, you're going to put your fingers on the ground. We're going to lift our knees up and try and get the toes off the ground. And then you're going to extend your legs, tensing the quads and pointing the toes 4 reps. You want to aim for somewhere between 5 and 10 repetitions, and if you want to make it really tough or challenging for yourself, you can put in a 5 to 10 second hold at the end of each rep. Now, if you're a little bit more advanced, you're going to put your palms flat down on the ground, and the more advanced you are, the further forward your hands are going to be. And all the while, you want to depress the scapula, so you want to be pushing your shoulders down and try and lift your head up. Don't look down. The goal is to try and keep your chest up and head up and push your shoulders down, push your hands into the ground and get those knees as high as you can, because if you want to be able to eventually do a stalled press to handstand, that's what you have to do. You've got to be able to push down into the ground and lift your legs up. You want to be doing this drill between 2 and 3 times a week, and it really just depends on how much your body hurts after you do it. If you find that it's affecting your strength and you're cramping up and you've got a lot of muscle soreness after you do this, then maybe just reduce it down to 2 times a week. And you want to aim for 3 sets when you do this. You can go for up to 5 sets when you get much more advanced and your body's more conditioned for it, but start off with just doing 3 sets. As I promised at the start of this video, I'm now going to share with you the big mistake that people make when doing this routine, and that is leaning back. People lean right back when they're doing this. It's very important that you plant your hands firmly on the ground. The first thing you want to do is get your palms flat on the ground if you can only get your fingers on the ground. The next thing you want to do is be trying to bring your hands forward, and you want to lift your chest up, lift your head up, and don't lean back like that, okay? A bonus thing that people do wrong is so the second thing would be not straightening the knees all the way and tensing the quads and pointing the toes. That's a big one you want to look out for. And then one of the most important things with this whole compression thing that you keep hearing me harp on about is flexibility. You must have a good level of flexibility if you want to be able to do this. Otherwise, your muscles are trying to lift your legs, but they're fighting the tight hamstrings, the tight adductors, the tight lumbar extensors that are preventing you from being able to get into that position. So if you don't have the required level of flexibility, or even if you just want to level up your current level of flexibility, then you want to get our flexibility blueprint. It's a free download. It's linked in the description here. Jump on and grab that. It's got 7 key lessons that we've learned over 25 years of training, working with so many amazing coaches. So jump on, grab that, and watch your flexibility skyrocket. Hey, thanks for watching, and if you like that video and you want to see more awesome videos that teach you how to move and not just exercise, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you get notified when we release new videos. We do new videos every week on motivation, movement, and nutrition. So if this is what you are into, if you want to be part of our tribe and learn from us, then make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Greg.
Woo! Oh my goodness,